Okay, we're getting ready to do another test here. Of course, I've already used these before, but anyway, this is a super siphon hose. They don't sell them anymore, but other people in the line does. Basic, it's got a one-way check valve right here. It makes noise. You hear it over the plastic. Little ball goes back and forth, and as you go back and forth, it sucks fuel up and closes behind you, so it doesn't go back down. When you get to a certain point, it'll siphon out on you. You can take your big containers like that, and you can dump them in your small containers like that. So you can also dump this into your truck, which is what I was going to do over there in my truck, because I can't find my hose for doing it. The other way of doing this is you have this pump here that goes into the top of the barrel, or one of those big pallet things, and then you pump this up and down up here. And this has a plastic bellows in here that goes up and down. You work your butt off, go like this for a while, and it pumps out the hose every time you do that. It sucks it up from there, comes out there. That's fun to do in the middle of a rainstorm too, let me tell you. Lots of fun. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this over here. So first thing we got to do is get all our stuff over there. So first thing I do is open this up. Here's the instructions if you want to read them. Yeah, that's about as much as I read. I still haven't read them yet. So last time I used one of these was probably about 3 or 4 years ago. Well, that was the last time I dealt with these. Zip ties here. So you got to cut the zip ties away here. Must be sharp today. Actually worked. Do a knife test. Well, a dollar knife will cut stuff if you put enough pressure on it. So we talked about how that always gets you. Yeah, you put about 30 pounds of pull on anything, it'll make it work better. Alright, so here's our hose. Just that valve. Makes noise, see? Okay, so all you gotta do is take this. They make these in 3/8 and 1/2 inch. This is the 1/2 inch one, so it flows better. You can carry these in your bike and car, whatever you got. It works good for bikes. You can go from one tank to another, so if you run out of gas, you can steal a quart or so from your buddy. Or run him out. He'll appreciate it. So we got a 5-gallon can of diesel. Nice and light. So we got to dump into this tank over here. First we get this out of the way. There we go. Semi out of the way. So this requires muscle because someone's going to have to hold this thing up in the air. That would be me. It does get easier though as it gets lighter. Okay, so this goes into your tank. Or does it go the other way? See, I don't remember. If I had to guess, this is on top, this on the bottom. So this is going to go in your can. It goes in the other guy's tank. So we got our diesel down here. So you dump that into there. If this works, it'll pump up as I shake it. Doesn't appear to be working very well. Maybe it goes the other way. That looks a lot better. Put that in the tank. So you hold it up in the air like this. See how the fuel levels all the way up to here? There it goes. It's working. Ah, fucking tripod. Everybody likes these stupid tripods, but I don't. Okay, I have no idea if you can see squat because I'm on the light. So the fuel's going through here right now. So if you lose your prime, I can pull out the top of the barrel right here. So I can't tell if you're seeing anything at all. So if you go back and forth again, the fuel level gets up the top of the container here. Like that, it takes off again. The higher you hold this up, the quicker it goes. This terrible light. Can't help it hurt. Didn't help me any. Yeah. Pretty much lousy video. Oh well. You have to get the idea. I can't see. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, we're almost done here. I got it right in the bottom of the container here. You'll see a bunch of bubbles when it's empty. Come out of here. There it goes. I don't know if you can see down in there, but so this camera, it's hard to film outside in the light. You can't see nothing. So anyway, I can't know if you see in there or not, but it's down in the bottom of the hole. Alright, well there you go. That's how it works. If you do it right, it works better. We'll try something else. Be back.